Hey you, are you looking for luxury?
Because we're about to step inside your new favorite place. This is the Quinn. Welcome to the main event. These 11-foot ceilings mean your dreams can finally stretch out.
This fireplace is perfect. And wait until you see the gourmet kitchen.
It's all quartz and stainless. It's where you'll accidentally become an amazing cook.
This isn't a bedroom. This is a suite.
The zero entry shower means smooth sailing to relaxation.
And over here, we have a separate guest wing.
Perfect for the in-laws, when you still want a little privacy. Downstairs is over 1,000 square feet of finished space.
I call this the room where fun happens.
You also get a covered patio, perfect for quiet contemplation or a few cold ones.
You also get a built-in resort life. Heated pool, clubhouse, all of it.
This house makes adulting look easy. Ready to stop sending dream home screenshots to all of your friends?
The Quinn is waiting, so send us a message.
Let's get these keys in your hands before one of us moves in ourselves.